and price are reacting to this beautiful order block, point of interest, wherever you want to call it, where I got confirmation that sellers are actually come to the market. First of all, I have this fair value gap. Price just come to fill this fair value gap, right? And second, you guys can see clearly what I marked this right here. This is another chop. As you guys can see right now, probably on some part of the screen, the print of the trade that I took, right? It was a very beautiful trade, very hard drop. Price drop very hard, very fast. What's up, guys? Ed here to another video on my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show to you guys this quick and beautiful trade that I took on gold Friday, right? Day 11 of November 2022. Of course, I will try to show to you guys the process to take this trade right here, right? It was a 1 to 8 risky reward trade, and I will try to explain everything for you guys. Of course, I put this right here too because I know a lot of people try to sell right here, try to get involved in this sell right here, and they always stop it. That's why I put this little quote here, little comment, right? Your dumb mentor was stopper here, got stopper here, because I know a lot of people try to sell here, right? And it was just a liquidity grab. Before we start, just make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, and of course drop your like in this video too. If you want to become one of my students, want to learn the way I trade, link in the description to join my academy, my forex trading academy, right? So yeah, let's start, let's continue, and let me show to you guys why I took this beautiful trade right here on gold. So as you guys can see clearly right here, I will show to you guys too the screenshot of this trade soon. As you guys can see clearly right here, we have the this blue box, right? That's the as a session range, right? So this blue box right here is as a session range. I use this indicator right here as a session range, right? But if you want to search for it, it's here on my favorites one. So FXN as a session range by Robbie Minty 2926, right? That's the indicator I use to mark my sessions, right? And you guys can see clearly right here that I had as a session range starting and closing here. Then after as a session start and close, we have what? After as a session range, we have Frankfurt session starting and closing exactly right here. Frankfurt start at 7 o'clock, and it closed at 8 a.m. And 8 a.m. is exactly the time where London session starts, right? And actually here I was trying to capitalize in one buy position here too, but I decided to stay out because it wasn't according to my trading plan, right? When I was checking my checklist, I just noticed that as a range never got swept, so I can't get in this trade. I can't join this trade. And fortunately, this trade, if I tried to get in on it, to take it, it would be a stop loss. So yeah, thank God I didn't get in this position, right? But after this, as you guys can see right here, we have the top of as a range, right? So the top of as a range is exactly right here. Right here we have the top fastest range, right? And when London session has started at 8 o'clock, as you guys can see right here, for some time we get in. We just go a little bit deep on the as range, right? Remember, as range started here and it closed exactly right here. I will remove this indicator right here. And if you are asking yourself right now, what's this indicator? If I use this indicator to trade, no, I don't use it to trade. I was just making some tests to try to find divergence between instruments, between trading pairs, right? Like gold and USD, USD CAD, GBP USD, GA, GU, trying to find divergence. I don't use this indicator to trade. So if you are asking yourself, oh my God, what's this indicator? What Edney used this indicator to do? I don't use it to trade, right? I was just doing some tests, okay? So yeah, after we swept the top of our session range, I was able to look to this beautiful chalk right here, right? If you don't know what's chalk, basically just go to my YouTube channel and search for entry confirmation, and you will find a video that I explain to you guys every single entry confirmation I used to trade. But after this chalk happened, I was looking to take a short position exactly right here. So price should do what? Just make the chalk and do the pullback to fill this fair value gap right here, this imbalance. And if that scenario happened, I would be very happy to get in one sell position exactly at this level, right? But unfortunately, that never happens, right? Price just made a some pullback here, never filled this fair value gap. I actually sent this analysis right here to my Telegram, sorry, not my Telegram, but to my Discord community, right? I'm mentor there, so I showed these guys, look, we have a chalk. If price just make some beautiful pullback, I will be able to capitalize on one sell position. But guess what happened? As I told you guys, price just made some structural point here. And actually, I was looking to short here too. But I'm not dumb, right? I know sometimes price will create liquidity and swap liquidity. So I know here we have liquidity, probably that's sponsoring what? Sponsoring this fair value gap and this point of interest. But I never got in one position directly. I always wait for confirmations, right? In the same way we have this chalk right here. We had another chalk exactly right here too. Why I didn't mark it because, you know, basically one happened after another. So I didn't mark them both. But the first one actually was this one right here. Right? That was our first chalk. So this position right here are being sponsored by this liquidity here, right? Price just filled this fair value gap right here, as you guys can see clearly, right? We have this fair value gap here. Price filled it and then try to reverse. I was able to wait to some confirmation here. Guess what happened? A lot of smart money traders start to sell exactly right here with their stop loss just above this high. And they all got swept. They all got their stop loss triggered. Why? Because we have two external range liquidity. Possibly, we have the possibility to have external range liquidity exactly at this level too. That's why I didn't sold directly. So what I did, I just wait a little bit. Right? So when price swept this high, actually, let me tell you guys again, just to explain a little bit better. I was waiting for confirmation here. What confirmation? Another break of structure, chalk, or another internal break of structure. That's three entry confirmation I normally use to trade, right? So, but here you guys can see clearly that price swept and catch all the internal range liquidity, probably catch all the stop loss of all smart money traders, and then what we had this beautiful pullback. Price made this huge pullback. Price tried to do what? To catch external range liquidity here again, but it wasn't able. You know what? Because exactly right here, let me just zoom in a little bit. You guys can see clearly. We have what? We have another fair value gap, very tiny fair value gap, but it's a fair value gap, no question about it. And price are reacting to this beautiful order block, point of interest, wherever you want to call it. So when price react, so I saw sellers are coming to the market exactly at this point. Where I got confirmation that sellers are actually come to the market. First of all, I have this fair value gap. Price just come to fill this fair value gap, right? And second, you guys can see clearly what I marked this right here. This is another chalk. As you guys can see right now, probably on some part of the screen, the print of the trade that I took, right? It was a very beautiful trade, very hard drop. Price dropped very, very, very hard, very fast, and a quick 1 to 8. I was planning to do actually a 1 to 10 risk reward trade here, but with some trading stop, I was able to get out of this position at 1.8 something. This chalk was able to I used it to be my entry trigger and to get my entry triggered. And as you guys can see here again, I was able to join in this trade exactly right here in this point of interest right here with my stop loss above this high, right? So that's exactly the trade I took. You guys can see on the screen right now at some point. And that's it, guys. Basically how I trade, I use just to make some reason, right? I use sessions and some entry triggers. Of course, I am always with two eyes, right? My two eagles eyes on liquidity. I'm searching for liquidity on the market because liquidity is money. And where the money is where price will go, right? Price is just following the money. Institutional trade, they want liquidity to mitigate or to build their position. So that's why. And that's it. I hope you guys understood everything. Subscribe to the channel if you want to become my student. Link is in the description to join my academy. And I see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.